In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit roles in Connecteam. If you need to update a user's role, position, or other company-related information in Connecteam, the process is simple once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access the right area and make sure your changes are saved properly. To begin, log into your Connecteam admin dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the appropriate admin permissions, since access to user management settings may depend on your role inside the platform. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Users tab. This is where Connecteam keeps the main directory for your team members and where you can manage profile-related information. After opening the Users section, move to the top right of the screen and select Manage User Details. This will take you to the page where you can update employee information more directly. If you've never used this section before, this is the main area for editing fields tied to a user's company profile. Next, locate the employee whose details you want to update. Depending on the size of your team, you may need a moment to scroll through the list and find the correct person. Once you've found them, look for the company-related info section in that user's details. This is the area where fields like role or position can be edited. Now click on the role or position field. From here, either type in the new role or select the updated value if Connecteam gives you a list of options. Be careful to choose the correct role, especially if your organization uses specific naming conventions for departments, seniority, or job titles. Keeping these details consistent can help avoid confusion later when managing users across the platform. When you've entered the new role, click outside the field. This is important because it triggers the update. After that, wait for the loading animation to stop. That loading indicator confirms that Connecteam is processing and saving your change. It's a good idea not to navigate away too quickly, just to make sure the update completes successfully. And that's it. Once the loading animation finishes, the role change should be saved. If needed, you can repeat the same process for additional users or for other company-related fields in the same section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you edit roles in Connecteam quickly and confidently.